In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kit Countdown Timer. A countdown timer is a great way to add urgency to your emails, landing pages, or forms, whether you're promoting a limited time sale, a live event, or a registration deadline. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to add and customize a countdown timer with confidence. First, open the editor where you want the countdown to appear. This could be an email template, a landing page, or an opt-in form. Make sure you're in the content area of that editor, where you would normally add text, images, or other blocks. Next, to insert the countdown timer block, look for the plus icon within the content area. This is usually the same button you use to add any new content block. If your editor supports it, you can also type a /character to open the block menu quickly. Both options should bring up a list of elements you can add to your design. From that list, choose Countdown Timer. Once you select it, the timer block will appear in your content. At this point, it may show a default style and a placeholder end time, so don't worry if it doesn't look right yet. Click directly on the timer block to open the sidebar settings. The sidebar is where you'll control how the timer behaves and how it looks. If you don't see the sidebar right away, try clicking once more or making sure the timer is actually selected and highlighted. Now set your end date and time. This tells the timer exactly when to reach 0. Take a moment to double-check your time zone, especially if you're running a global promotion or event. You want the countdown to match the real end of your offer, not accidentally end an hour too early or too late. After the end time is set, customize the appearance to match your brand. In the sidebar, adjust the colors for the numbers and labels and choose a font that fits the rest of your design. Aim for good contrast so the timer is easy to read at a glance. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, make sure to save your changes. Once saved, your Kit Countdown Timer is ready to go live as part of your email, landing page, or form.